I'm really feeling some type of way right now.
Guys, we're working on a Jeep Wrangler. I don't think we've done like a Jeep Wrangler project in a while. We're doing a 4-inch lift kit with Teraflex, doing new bumpers, adding side steps. We're changing out the tires as well.
It's gonna be a pretty big build, huh? Just getting rid of the plastic steps, getting rid of the other plastic bumper.
Yo, getting rid of a lot of plastic.
So it's gonna go from here to there.
More like maybe from here to like here.
That was like half an inch.
Ooh, Teraflex, this is their 4-inch lift?
4-inch lift kit.
Yeah, 4-inch lift kit. It's a lot of cool stuff. We got the shocks over here. Teraflex 9550 VSS shocks. These are nice, cool black. Got the springs.
The lower arms, the upper arms. I love how like when you do like a Jeep one, it's not the same as like any other like lift kit where they're just replacing the shock and the actual thing to lift it. Versus this is like you're replacing all the arms and everything.
Well, this is how you're supposed to do it, right?
Yeah.
Like legitimately, because if you change just some of it, if you change the angles.
Your arms are supposed to go longer too. Exactly.
Right.
Yeah. You know, if you want to do like a custom setting for like crawling or something, you can do it now.
We don't see too many Jeep often, so it's always refreshing to get one in once in a while. A lot of fun upgrades on this one. First, we swapped out the old bare bones 3-inch lift kit the client had for Teraflex's 4-inch lift kit. Better shocks, better springs, and way more upgraded components to help give the ride a little more stability since it's higher. Got rid of the basic plastic bumpers and steps and replaced them with Rough Country's metal front and rear ones. Looks way more aggressive, and the front one has the integrated light bar stinger to hold a 20-inch light bar. Perfect for off-roading. And lastly, we replaced the old tires with new Open Country RTs for a much better ride overall.